everyone, it's Etiquette Connoisseur. I have a few reminders today for you concerning cups, teacups, and teapots. So first of all, the cup, the coffee cup. Remember, when picking up the coffee cup, please pick it up by the handle and not the bowl. I see this very often, that people pick it up by the bowl and drink. This is not elegant at all. You would appear to be more elegant when you hold it by the handle. The handle has a very real purpose. So you place the thumb on the top, the index inside, and the other three underneath for support, like this. When you are having tea and you have a beautiful little teacup and saucer, you pick the teacup up by the handle again, and there is to be no sticking out of the pinky finger. This is a myth. This is a long time practice which was not very nice, not a very good message that the people sent when they did this. So please don't do that. Tuck your finger underneath and have your tea. Now, if you are stirring with milk or honey, you take the spoon and you go from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, inside the cup, not on the very edges, not stirring around, banging on the cup, just go lightly, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and it stirs the liquid and the sugar in there. When you've finished, please do not lick the spoon, even if it's very delicious hot chocolate. Just place the spoon on the right side of the saucer, like this. The saucer is for holding the cup, catching drips, and keeping the spoon as well. So make use of the saucer. If you are seated at a dining table, as I am today, leave the saucer on the table and just raise the cup up to you to drink. If, however, you are seated on a sofa, you ought to pick up the cup and the saucer. Hold the saucer in your less dominant hand while picking up the teacup in your dominant hand and drinking. So in this case, I am right-handed, so my dominant hand will be holding the handle, and the left hand would be holding the saucer. So you drink like this, and then when you want to take a rest, you place both cup and saucer back on your coffee table or side table, whatever. If you're standing and you have a table nearby, still you ought to hold the cup and saucer, because again I say the saucer is for holding the cup and catching the drips. So if you remember that, this will be good. It's only when the cup is on a dining table and you are very close to the dining table, this is the only reason why you leave the saucer on the table. When you are pouring with a teapot, remember, do not just pour like this. You must use your index finger to keep the lid on and pour. Otherwise, the lid can fall off and you will have a whole big hot mess. You do not want that. So if you remember these few little tips I give you today, you will be appearing more elegant and more poised as a lady. Even gentlemen, you can practice this as well. Remember, no pinky fingers stuck out, always tucked under. Thank you for listening. This is Etiquette Connoisseur. Have a wonderful day.